Hi friends, welcome back. Today I am talking about dry cough. Dry cough, also known as non-productive cough, may be caused due to a number of reasons, some of the common ones being viral infection. After a common cold, a dry cough may last several weeks longer than other symptoms and often gets worse at night. Another cause is allergy. Exposure to irritants such as dust, fumes, and chemicals in the work environment. Dry coughs are often caused by viral illness such as colds and flu, but they can also be caused by throat irritants. A chronic dry cough may be a sign of mild asthma. If you are suffering from a dry cough, please use these remedies. For this remedy, you will need licorice powder and honey. Take 2 tablespoons of licorice powder, add 1 tablespoon of honey in it and mix well. It should be a thick paste. Use this paste to make tablet sized dots. Use these dots to keep in your mouth several times a day. Keep just one dot at a time. Please do not chew or suck it. Continue this treatment until you get complete relief. Second remedy, in this remedy you will need 2 tablespoons of grated jaggery, 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed ginger juice, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl and knead properly. Then make small dots out of this mixture. Use one dot 2 to 3 times a day. Chew green cardamom. It also heals sore throat in dry cough by stimulating salivary glands. Please try these remedies for sure results. I hope these remedies will work for you. Thanks for watching.